this clip and find a nice way of saying this, but there really is no nice way of saying it. Every time we go to most of the times when we go to an art show in Atlanta, and maybe we can chalk this up to the fact that in art school you're required to walk into a room and critique your peers, right? So maybe let's like throw that up to the game. But every time we go to an art show in Atlanta, my first thought is I've got to get out of Atlanta, as like an iron sharpens iron sort of thing, as like a I want peers that like reach a bit further sort of thing. And like I understand how this sounds, I really do, and that's why I'm like maybe chalk it up to the game. But going to art shows in Atlanta makes me want more, and that's not inherently a bad thing. I don't think I'm gonna keep going to the art shows because like maybe that's what I need to show me that I do want more. All that being said, we went to Peter Street, and there are like a couple of galleries that are interconnected in that little triangle basically. So we went to gallery openings, what was that, Thursday night? And that's just how I felt. I felt like there were a couple of pieces, one or two in particular, and I can't even find this person's Instagram to follow them, but I felt like there were a couple of pieces that really like stood out to me and were technically really good. I'm critiquing again, but other than that, I was just like, damn, it's time to go. So yeah, it's the holiday season. I'm hosting my cousins for a Christmas movie night, and then holidays roll from there. Like I still have to go to work this week, and then I'm out for like the week of Christmas, and then the end of the week for New Year's Eve. And I don't think I'm doing anything for New Year's Eve. I need to sit my behind down, so that's what we'll do. I would be asked on site.
Then you wouldn't have an episode.
I guess.
Not just animated, kung fu movies is like that too. It's on site after a 5-minute conversation.
No, even like, oh, the big fight is coming up. Like, beat his ass now.
It's a pride thing. Like, I'm not gonna fight you while you still weak. I'm gonna whoop your ass while you at maximum to show you that you ain't shit. Then you letting niggas train. Then you like, nah, go do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do to get right, because I'm still gonna beat your ass. Yeah, that nigga said you need to train. Alright.
Cause I don't know where to look for love. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. I wanna be, cause I don't know where to look for love. I just don't know how. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of.
Morning. It's Saturday morning. I'm working on a batch of tops right now. This is the small batch. And I actually think I just bought a machine. And I say think because it's Facebook Marketplace. So this lady is supposed to meet me in Midtown later. I was just happening to go on Facebook Marketplace to see if I could find a specific Christmas present for my boyfriend. I think this video will come out after Christmas. I was looking for a record player, so I bought my boyfriend a record player, not on Facebook Marketplace, but that's what I was looking for on there, and I just happened to see the machine that I was already going to buy for $100 less. So this lady should meet me in Midtown later. Facebook Marketplace is sketchy, but she seems sketched out about me, which is a good thing in my opinion. Like she said, she asked me to call her like off the bat. So I think she was trying to make sure I'm not a creepy man. And then when we got on the phone, she was like, oh, like I looked through your profile. You're a designer, right? I think I've seen you before. So yeah, like she's trying to make sure I'm legit. So I think that's a good sign, hopefully. So I'm gonna meet her later. And then after that, we're gonna do like our errands and stuff like that, Christmas presents and groceries and all of that. But then we're going to a gallery tonight. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the same vlog that starts on a gallery, but that was at Peter Street Market. So tonight we're going to, let me not even lie to you. I don't even know how we're getting to this or like how we knew about this gallery. I was told the story and it promptly left my brain, but we're going to this gallery tonight. I will bring you guys along with me. And until then, I'm just gonna batch these tops.
I'm not scared of lions and tigers and tigers.
You Ferrari outside.
I'm not scared of nothing. Am I the only one who thinks it's an impossible task? Why get too mad? Is that too much to ask? Why do we love when love seems to hate us? Sorry if I sound so filled with gloom. You say you care, and I know you do. But this is from my experience, and my conclusion only makes sense. Just 'cause I love you and you love me, it doesn't mean that we're meant to be. I can climb mountains, swim across the seas, but the most frightening thing is you and me. I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of, hey, I'm not scared to perform it and slow down to fail.
So we got my machine, got groceries, and I took a the juiciest snap when we got back. The lady was so cool. It was such a quick little transaction, and she was like so worried that she left the manual, and I'm like, girl, there's a PDF online, it'll be fine. The problem actually is that I don't have space for the machine, so I'm gonna have to figure out another like little side table there. And I'm a lot further in this project than I expected to be, so that's cool. We're on our way to the gallery right now, and I've been really craving ramen for like the past 3 weeks, I would say. So maybe tonight's the night, and if I have enough time to show you my outfit on the way out, then I will do that as well.
Shout out to my big homie Brill. Like, I met him really at the beginning when I first started, and seeing him kind of build canvases from scratch inspired me. As soon as I started, I'm like, man, I'm
Raekwon the chef, man. This was one of the pieces that growing up, it was the only purple tape.
Let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first.